Costa da Caparica. It's going down again. Big lines aqui, pollution. Look at the island in the middle.
Shut up.
Okay, shut up.
I don't think he knows where the airport is.
Yeah, exactly.
Going really to the Algarve to come back.
He has to get in line.
Go and give him Tom. He doesn't know the way. Yeah, on the other side.
No problem.
Costa da Caparica. I'm not joking.
That kind of what I is.
The other side of the river.
Isso aqui não é
Oh, the Lisboa side.
Rio quê? Montijo.
Não, isso aqui é
Setúbal.
Charneca da Caparica.
E ali não, ou era por baixo?
It's on that side.
Vietnam.
It's on that side.
It's windy. It's going through the clouds.
Isso é lá um coisa novo. That thing in the middle is new. Aquele pontão.
Is that Expo down there?
Não, it's on that side. Isso aqui é o estado do Belenenses. And this is Santo Coral de Belém.
E aquilo ali é o Monsanto, onde está aquele green. Is that Monsanto? What's that green and the thing on top?
Não sei. Isso é o estado do Belenenses. Can you see?
Yeah.
Aquilo ali é
You see
prisão.
this sun
Aquilo
on
ali é
this side and
prisão.
there's no sun on that
Ah,
side.
that's prisão, look.
What do you think?
Isso aqui é que é o Monsanto.
Monsanto is where that tennis thing is.
Sim,
Back there. Yeah. It's quite big. I've never been there.
It's all this. Caduto de aulas livres.
We don't usually come this way, do we?
Yeah, you normally sit on that side. Entre Campos, station.
That's Benfica. Look, that's Benfica. Can you see? Estádio do Benfica over there. Go back. Can you see? Now.
Yeah, tell him to reverse so you can go back.
Can you see?
Yeah. I'm going to be there Thursday.
That's o Hospital Santa Maria.
Are you going to watch Liverpool thing?
See the Hospital Santa Maria there?
Did she get tickets yet? Should you go and watch Benfica Liverpool?
Bye.
What? Ask how much the tickets are. I might go and watch. Yeah, ask how much they are. Before she
Look,
gets it.
real one.
Yeah, real toilet.
Yeah, whatever.
Sporting.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's green, it's organic.
Benfica is nicer.
It's not finished, Benfica.
We're nearly down. What are they doing? Another runaway?
Road. Ali é só casas novas ali por trás.
We are down now. Oh yeah. Can you feel it? No, can you feel it?
Para aquilo, só casas novas ali ver.
It was a good morning. EasyJet are the best.
Nobody clapped.
We're very good. London. See, have you?
That's a new road they're building there. Que é para ligar à outra.
They're so good.
Ain't paying British Airways.
British Airways have too many problems. 50% of British Airways staff don't actually do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lisbon, where the local time is approaching 10 minutes to 10 minutes past 10. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until signs have been switched off and the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop. All devices for messaging calls or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please make sure to take all your personal belongings with you, check in the seat pockets in the front and in the seats surrounding for area and the overhead lockers. But do take care when open lockers in case contents may have moved during the flight and could fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach designated smoking area. And for the very best car rental deals, book early with Europcar via easy.com. However, if you need to rent a car today, Europcar will guarantee to undercut the best rates of the day for EasyJet customers by at least 10%. Visit the desk on arrival for exclusive EasyJet discount. We do remind the choice of airlines. Well, thank you for flying with EasyJet today. Finally, on behalf of the captain, myself, and the rest of the crew, we wish you a pleasant home journey to your final destination. Also, we'd like to apologize for the slight delay and inconvenience we may cause you. Thank you and a very good morning.
Did you understand what she said? Yeah. Yes, you can wear cover.
Look at that private plane, Al Harabraka.
Don't page from the side. That's not very good. They're still not going back to England, are they? I have another pie like that. She gets 1, 2,